Welcome to qnawire.
Problem 43 asks you to classify each of the following statements, A through D, as either an observation, a law, or a theory. So an observation is something that can be measured or recorded, like, for instance, a mass or change in temperature. So the observations here then are B, because if you see an object rusting in a closed container, you can measure the mass before and after the rust develops and see that the mass hasn't changed. Additionally, you can measure the heat coming off of a match when it burns, making D an observation as well. A law is something that predicts the outcome of an experiment or an observation. And so it's basically a prediction of how something occurs when you probe a specific aspect of nature. In that case, knowing that matter is neither created nor destroyed in reactions, as a law, you can perform an experiment where a chemical reaction occurs, and you'll be able to predict that matter won't be created or destroyed. And if this reaction occurs in a closed container, like in B, you'll know that the observation from that is going to be that the mass doesn't change. Finally, a theory is something that attempts to explain why something in nature is the way it is. So, like, why matter acts the way it does, for instance. Making A here a theory. A, all matter is made of atoms, attempts to describe why matter acts the way it does because it's made of atoms. Atoms have certain properties that give matter their properties.